In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a picture to your chat and get useful analysis, descriptions, or even translations from it, all without any confusion. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Claude AI website. Log into your account so you're taken to a fresh chat. If you don't land on a new conversation automatically, create one so you're looking at the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your prompt and attach your image. In the chat area, look closely at the message bar. You'll see a small plus icon next to where you type. This is the attachment button. It can be easy to miss if you're new to the layout, so take a second to find it. Once you've spotted it, click the plus icon to open the attachment menu. A small menu will appear. From here, choose Add Files or Photos. This tells Claude you want to bring in a file from your device. When you click it, your computer's file picker will open, letting you browse your folders. Now select the image you want to use. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct file. If the image contains private or sensitive information, consider editing or cropping it beforehand so you only share what you're comfortable with. Clear file names can also help you keep track of what you've uploaded, especially if you work with multiple assets in a session. Once you've highlighted the right image, confirm your selection to attach it. After a moment, you'll see the file show up in the chat input area as an attachment or a small thumbnail. That's your cue that the upload is ready. Now type a clear prompt explaining what you want Claude to do with the image. For example, you might say, please describe the key elements in this photo, analyze this chart and summarize the trends, or translate the text in this image into English. The more specific you are about the outcome you want, the better the response you'll get. If there's text in the image, you can ask for both a transcription and a summary. If it's a diagram, mention what you care about most, like labels, structure, or potential errors. When your prompt looks good, click send. Claude will process the image and your request, then return an answer directly in the chat. If the upload doesn't appear at first, double check your connection and try again, or reduce the file size slightly. That's all there is to it. You've successfully uploaded an image to Claude AI and guided it with a focused prompt for the results you need.